Hi, this is Starsky. Hey, welcome to wordforthewise.com. First of all, I want to say what's up, to all of my friends on Facebook here in California and my friends back in Memphis, Tennessee, or wherever. I want to say, hey, I'm so glad to be reconnected with you guys again, because I wanted to really catch you up with where I am in my life right now, you know. And I created this page just to share with you the revelation and the wisdom that God has given me to share. This is my platform. So I just want to take a second just to share with you about 2013 being the year of manifestation. This is such an exciting year. I don't know necessarily what's going on in your life or whatever, but 2013 has been revealed as the year of manifestation. Throughout my life in the previous years, God was always preparing me. And most of the time he was preparing me, I never really understood why he was preparing me. But in 2013, this is actually the year where the things that I always desire to do, like writing a book, like creating this blog and actually standing before you and actually speaking, I'm manifesting those things that I was prepared to do in 2010, 2012. So here is my question, the reason why I created this particular video for you, this impromptu video, is what are you desiring to manifest in your life? I want to get in a dialogue with you so I can be able to pray with you, because I want to see more of my friends, do something great in life, do something that's so amazing. So you're going to get like content on this particular Facebook page that will help give you the wisdom and the insight, man, to get going, man, to do something that brings out your passion, that makes you come alive. I believe in this day and time, this is the optimum time to really go after it, man. So for all you book writers, for all you entrepreneurs, for all of you people that want a closer walk with God, to understand your life meaning, hey, this is what we're going to talk about. So this is just a little nugget, and I just want to say welcome to my blog, wordforthewise.com. Hey, see you later.